The barn hand actually does save you time and money, so we put together this video to demonstrate how every veterinary practice can increase their profit while decreasing their time spent on one common procedure: sheath cleaning. Traditionally, sheath cleaning requires the following supplies: a bucket, warm water, cleaning solution, gloves, cotton, and a bunch of paper towels. Getting all these items can take several minutes just to prepare for the procedure, and occasionally getting the water warm enough can be a challenge, adding to your preparation time and subtracting from your bottom line. A traditional sheath cleaning procedure can take anywhere from 5 to more than 15 minutes and is especially challenging in colder weather. And we've all had that uncooperative guy. You know, the one that tips over the bucket and scatters the paper towels. Preparation is simple with the barn hand and can be done in seconds. Just grab your gloves and pull the product out of the sealed package. The barn hand makes this procedure simple, more organized, and faster. Plus, cleanup is so easy. So kick that bucket and try the barn hand.